In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section in Asana. Duplicating sections in Asana can be incredibly useful, especially if you're managing a project where repetitive tasks often occur. So let's dive right in and make this process as clear and straightforward as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Asana website. If you're not already logged in, enter your email address on the login page and click continue. Next, type in your password. Once you've entered your password correctly, click on Login. This will take you to your Asana homepage where you can view all your current projects and any tasks associated with them. Now that you're on your homepage, find the project you're working on and would like to duplicate a section from. Simply click on that project to open it. Once you've opened your project, navigate to the section you wish to duplicate. This might involve scrolling through your tasks or sections depending on how large your project is. When you've located the section, hover over the section name to reveal a small three-dot icon. Click on this icon to bring up a menu with various options. Among these options, look for the one labelled Duplicate Section and click on it. This action will open a new window or a pop-up menu, prompting you to select where you want this new duplicate section to be placed. As you proceed, choose the project where you'd like this duplicate section to go. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same project you're currently in. It could be any other project you're managing in Asana. Make sure to give your duplicate section a new distinct name. This helps differentiate it from the original and makes it easy for your team to recognize what it is and where it's located. After naming your new section, consider the task details you'd like to duplicate as well. Asana provides options to include task descriptions, assignees, due dates, and more, so select the details that are relevant to your working needs. Finally, to complete this process, click on Create New Section. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a section in Asana, streamlining your workflow and making task management even more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Asana tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.